Suppose your father has inherited some property from your grandfather. Do you have any right in that property because you think that property to be an ancestral property? Well, a lot of people have this misconception that the property which is inherited by your father from their father would be an ancestral property and you will be having a share in that property. As per Section 8 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956, if a Hindu male dies without making any will, then his property devolves upon the legal heirs as per Class 1 to the schedule. But the nature of property which the legal heir gets is in the nature of the separate property and not the ancestral property. This was held in the very famous case of Commissioner of Wealth Tax versus Chanda Singh, AIR 1986, Supreme Court 752. So for any property to be an ancestral property, it must have been inherited before the 1956, because after the passage of the Hindu Succession Act 1956, a property can be inherited as an ancestral property in a very narrow situation. As per a Delhi High Court judgment titled as Dayanand Rajan and another versus Ram Lal Khattar, AIR 2018, Delhi 104, the Delhi High Court explained the law as to how the nature of property is to be determined. Before the 1956, the law of Mitakshara used to apply, and any property which one used to inherit from their father, grandfather or great-grandfather used to become an ancestral property for the next 3 generations. But after the passage of the Hindu Succession Act, the property can be ancestral in nature only if the property has been thrown into a common hodgepodge as per a legal parlance. So, if anyone claims to be a beneficiary of that kind of ancestral property and he wants to file a case, then all the necessary particulars must be mentioned in the case as to when was the property was thrown into the common hodgepodge, who threw that property into the common hodgepodge, who were the members who inherited that property after the throwing into the common hodgepodge. So all of these particulars must be mentioned to claim any right in the property as an ancestral property claimed after 1956. Thank you.